Here's a 2016 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive. Call us today at 813-565-0061.